We're here live in Souix Lookout's giant tiger, and I didn't turn on my phone.
Lookout number one.
Souix Lookout's number one. Yes, as you can see directly behind me, there is a plane. An old plane at that. Yes, this goes back in my generations. Back to my great grandpa. Yes, apparently he crash landed here in Souix. And yeah, as soon as he landed, he got kicked out of Souix by this meteor. Who would have thought that a nice young man back in his day would get kicked out of Souix? So look how you were messing up on a good man. It's a Cessna 240 IT. Yes, it flies. It flies, babies. And that thing, you know, it only takes about 25 miles per hour to get in the air. Yes, this from the water. Such a beautiful place here in Souix Lookout, Ontario. Yeah, it's like mini upward. That's what I call it. It's a fire community and a riding community. Yes, I love it. I absolutely love it. I absolutely want to move here someday.
Lookout number one.
Souix Lookout's number one.